What's up guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be installing some hood lift supporters, also known as hood struts, for the R32 and for the Evo as well. Got a nice little package right here, so we're going to go ahead and open it and I'm going to show you guys what's inside. So we are inside the R32 right now, enjoying some nice cold AC. I recently recharged the AC on this car, and if you guys haven't seen that video, go ahead and check it out. AC is still working, there is no leaks. All right, let's get this box opened up. Today's video is sponsored by TSUBASA. They reached out to me and offered to sponsor the R32 and the Evo with some hood struts. And here we got them. We got one set right here, and then the second set right here. Let's go ahead and install these and check out how they look. Okay, so with these hood struts, we are no longer going to be using this metal bar to hold up the hood. As you guys can see, it can get in the way of when you're working on your car, adding a mod to it, or just doing a simple oil change, and it gets annoying. But with these hood struts, we are no longer going to be using that metal rod. At the same time, it's going to give your car a better look when you have your hood popped open. Alright guys, so these look pretty nice. It's actually carbon fiber, and then these are also carbon fiber. But the funny thing is, I thought they were going to send me one for the 32 and for the Evo, but actually they sent me a set for the S2K and the Evo. Sorry Jackie, you're not going to be getting those hood struts, but let's install them on these two cars. These are pretty simple to put together. You simply have to remove this clip that's right here, just like that, and it comes out. And then you can get this little ball joint to go inside, just like that. Put the little pin back inside. Simple. This bolt right here is a 10 mil. Pretty simple to take off. And just like that, this hood strut is installed. Pretty simple. So this hole on my carbon fiber fender does not line up with the actual car, and I never actually put a bolt there. I guess I'm gonna have to drill it out and see if I can make something work out. I hope I don't have to cut my fenders, but yeah, let's see if I can drill a hole here and then mount on the strut. So of course, if I had my stock fenders, I would not be having this problem. No big deal, just drilled out the hole. Now we can put the strut where it's supposed to go. Alright guys, so I don't think I'm gonna be running these with my carbon hood. It's not strong enough. It almost feels like it's gonna break. And it just does not want to come down. I just didn't want to run the risk on destroying my carbon hood. If I had my stock hood and stock fenders, I'm pretty sure it would have worked fine. But guess what has the stock hood and fenders? The S2K. Should be an easy install as well. there you go. Alright guys, well there you have it. TSUBASA hood struts. They actually look pretty nice when you have the hood open. Nice difference instead of having this metal bar just holding the hood. It's so easy to close too. Check it out. Bam. You just close the hood and you never know. You don't even know. Super easy to open as well. Check it out. Bam. Alright guys, well that's gonna be it for today's video. Too bad the hood struts for the Evo didn't work out as planned. I know if I would have had my stock hood and stock fenders, it would have worked perfectly, but that's what happens when you decide to go with aftermarket parts, putting on stuff that your car didn't come with. I'm pretty sure there's a way I can probably make it work, but for today the S2K is the only one that's getting the hood struts. Something simple for anybody to do on their car. If you want to do something different, it helps out when you do oil change or doing mods under the hood, or just having it open like at car shows or car meets. It looks freaking sick. It definitely gives it that show car look just by not having that metal bar in the middle. What do you guys think? Huge shout out to TSUBASA for sending me out these hood struts for my car. Who knows, maybe they'll send me one for the R32 and I'll do a separate video for that one. But anyways, go ahead and check them out. I'll leave the link in the description. Only takes like 5 minutes per side and you're ready to go. Go to the car meet, car shows, do an oil change, or go take some pictures of your car. And like always, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next week.